welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I am having a look at a diamond painting pen from onedaysaving.com. So onedaysaving.com is not a new company to me. I have actually reviewed a few of their diamond paintings, but recently they contacted me and said, "Hi Jim, how would you like to review one of our diamond painting pens?" So I thought, yep, I wouldn't mind doing that at all. I do have quite a few diamond painting pens, so I was interested to see what they have to offer. So I had a look at their website and I found out they have 8 different colours, different styles. So I chose one and got back to them and said, yeah, I would like to try this one. They said, okay, and would you like to choose a diamond painting as well? So I had a browse and chose a diamond painting. So in this bag we have, or we should have, a diamond painting pen and a diamond painting. Today I am only going to be looking at the pen. So this is the bag that arrived, just the usual grey bag, nothing special about it. But we'll have a look inside and see what we got. Careful not to cut anything I shouldn't be cutting. So that is the diamond painting, and this is the pen. So One Day Saving are a budget diamond painting company, which means you don't get boxes for your diamond paintings and you don't get anything fancy with your pen, as we can see. So it's not in a velvet bag, it's not in a box or anything, but it is a pen. So it is actually a resealable bag, just noticed that. So we'll have a look and see what we think. I'll just put this out of the way. I will be doing the diamond painting in a future review, so don't worry about that. So this is the one that I chose. Put it to the side. So nice sparkly pen, and it does have the wastes in it. Now the reason that people may get a diamond painting pen, when you already get one with the kit, you might think, well, why bother getting another one? These are the pens that we normally get in the kits, and basically they are a plastic straw. There's no getting around it, that's all it is, plastic straw. And then we have the diamond painting pen tip that pushes in, and then voila, we have a diamond painting pen, which works absolutely fine. I think I've been diamond painting for about 5 months, quite happily using my straw. But some people, to hold a pen like this for extended periods of time can start to cause pain in their hands, cause cramps, that sort of thing. Or people with arthritis may have problems holding something so thin, and they may be looking for something thicker to hold. Now these are, as you can see, a lot thicker than the straw. The other reason that people get the pens is they simply like the look of them. So it can be a combination of things. I mean, if you diamond paint seriously, you're going to be spending a long time looking at and holding your diamond painting pen. So some people like to collect them. Some people might just get one and find that it's comfortable and prefer to use that. The advantage of styles like this is you can move your hand to the thick or thin part, so you can sort of change your grip every now and again rather than holding it exactly the same way all the time, again, which can help relieve any pain in your hand. So that is the difference in the thickness of them. And normally In the kits, the basic thing that you'll get in a kit will be a pen. Sometimes you will get a multiplacer or two, but a lot of times it is just the pen. So these pens from One Day Saving actually come with a few bits and pieces. So we have a small multiplacer, medium sized multiplacer, then a large multiplacer. So these are used if you have large sections of the same colour. You can fill these channels with pink wax and pick up a row of drills at one time and then place them, and that's the idea. It can speed things up if you so desire. So 3 different sizes of multiplacer, and we also get a straightener. So this is used to, if you find that your drills are a little bit wonky, they're not just perfectly straight, you can actually use this, just push it in to the pen, and then you would obviously have the tip which comes as well. So you've got the diamond painting pen tip, you put that on one end. So if you're diamond painting and you sort of realise that they're not quite straight, you can turn your pen around and you can use this straight edge to push them, to line them up. So that can come in very handy. So all you do is just twist them, pull them out. You can swap them over if you have a really large area of the same colour. You can use the big multiplacer, and if it's just like small sections, you can use the small one, and you can work that. So you could be doing a large area using a multiplacer, and then you can switch around. If you've got like 2 or 3 drills to fill in somewhere, you can just switch it around, use the pen. So that is basically it. Diamond painting pen from onedaysaving.com. I will put a link if you're interested. As I said, there are 8 different colours. You can have a look and see if there's anything that interests you, and you can also get a 5% discount on your order. I will put the code in the description. While you're there, you could also have a look at the rest of the website. They do diamond paintings, cross stitch and paint by numbers. So there is a lot to browse through. So I'll also put a link to the website, and you can have a browse and see if there's maybe a diamond painting or 2 that you like. So I was going to put it down, but on a tilted table it doesn't work very well. So that's it. Diamond painting pen, multiplacers and a straightener from onedaysaving.com. So that was it. Diamond painting pen from onedaysaving.com. As I said, people buy pens for different reasons. Some people buy them because using the basic plastic straw for any length of time causes them problems with their hands, so they're looking for something a bit thicker that's easier to hold. Other people buy them just because they like the look of them. Some people collect them, some people collect different styles, different colours, whatever. The one that I showed, there are 8 variations of that one style. They also have other designs of diamond painting pens. So if you're thinking about getting a different pen, or you're just looking to add to your collection, you can take a look on the website. Just type in diamond painting pen and you will see all the different styles that they have. As I said, they do have diamond paintings, obviously, and cross stitch and paint by numbers. They also have a lot of diamond painting accessories, so you can have a browse through them as well. As I said, if you check the description below, I will put in a code where you can get a 5% discount on your order. But when you go to the website, you will find that they do have special offers. If you spend over $50, I think it is, you can claim 2 free gifts, that sort of thing. I'm not sure if the offers change, but at the moment that's what it is if you spend over $50. Now, on a budget website or a diamond painting website, you can actually get quite a lot for $50. So as I said, they do accessories, so things like washi tape and all that stuff. So if you're interested, please have a look. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in seeing other unboxings, unbaggings, comparisons, pens, please subscribe and hit that notification button. If you do that, you may catch me live on YouTube. I do random lives when I'm working on projects, and people can drop in, see what I'm working on, and we can have a bit of a chit chat. It can be about diamond painting or pretty much anything. Just interested in talking to people around the world, and sometimes the topics are absolutely random, and I enjoy that because I don't know what we're going to be talking about before I hit the button. And sometimes it's one of these things where you think, how did we end up talking about that? So it can be fun, and that's the whole point. It's just a chance for people to sit and chat and relax, have a bit of fun, and that's it. So as I said, if you're interested in that, please subscribe, hit the notification button, and then you'll get a little message when I go live or when I put up a new video. As I said, they asked me if I also wanted to review another diamond painting. Obviously, I'm not going to say no. So that one will be coming up soon in a future video. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.